Hello lads, welcome back to Ride with Relay. In today's video, we will be riding at Mountain Creek Bike Park. Located only an hour and a half away from New York City, it is one of the most popular riding destinations in the area. So without further ado, let's get riding! For the first lap, we went down the trails Dominion, Salvation, Pipeline, and Crab Chute, which all consist of big jumps and sick wooden features. And the final trail to get back to the lift was Little Ripper, which is a short, fun, and technical section.
Ooh, a bit flat. Maybe I need to go a bit slower. A little less boost. I'm loving the runs today. So now I'm going lower Dom into Salvation and then Crab Chute.
We'll follow you, that's it.
Yep. Whew. Sender. Oh, those are my boys. I need to catch up. Whew. Jump that. Maybe I should have done that to start with. I'm floating. Yeah, baby. Oh, I landed so flat.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
Landed so flat. Woo! I landed mega deep on that. Insane. Oh, a bit too high. What's up, man? I'm gonna go for it. Whew. Sender. You.
Before we continue, I would just like to let you guys know that the next scene is a bit shaky and bumpy. Enjoy!
Let's keep on going! Technical section. Choose the right line. Oh! Almost into the rock. Ooh! Really got my arms working, huh? High line, low line, high, low, high, and another high line up here. Weirder line. Almost off the cliff. Straight into the berm. Slow up here. Follow the high line. Follow the high line. High line. Drop. Sick.
For this next lap, I will be riding one of the more easy and fast runs up at Mountain Creek. I'll be riding the trail Greenhorn to get to one of my favorite trails, Tempest. The trail has been said to be one of the oldest in the bike park as it's been accommodating riders since the early 2000s.
I'm a mountain biker, so I'm just looking for spots. I'm like, what the f? There's a sick spot up here, right? So, exactly.
Here, I'll follow you in if you want.
All right. Sender bod. Woo. Ooh, it's rocky today. This is a sick green trail. Smooth, fast, fun, and flowy, huh? Definitely not. Oh, there you are. Did the rock get you? Yeah, no. Like, I pumped down into that section, and I saw that rock yesterday, and it was wet, and I thought I was screwed. But I got out of it, but it was sketchy, real sketchy. Oh. Sender. We're good. Plenty of breaking bumps and rocks today. later, bud. They're fun flowy berms, but a lot of braking bumps. Oh, my arms are really pumping. Oh, rocks. I'm gonna avoid that. Not liking the braking bumps and rocks today. Ooh. My arms are feeling a bit jittery, but I guess we have to deal with that. Whoops. Really bad line through there. Oh, braking bumps. Bit of a huck. And then hip. Just cased it. Not too bad though. Phew! That was a sick run.
For my final run, I decided to give a go at Mountain Creek's Thursday Night Race League. In the end, I placed 10th in the race, and also enjoyed riding at the bike park. We also ended up purchasing some new gear from their shop. Furthermore, I would like to thank ZM Cycle Fitness for helping me get my hands on a bike travel bag. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you guys on the next ride.